Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you what is in our brand new stamp and colour kit. It's called Fairytale Wishes and it is adorable. Let me show you what magical things we have in this gorgeous kit. So let's just quickly take a look at the stamp and die included in the kit. So this is the stamp that comes with the kit. It's called Fairytale Castle, as you can see, because it's got some cute little castles on it, some fabulous little sayings and some birds and other things. So that is the stamp, which is 23. And you have the matching fussy cutting die, which also retails for 23. So this stamp and die retail for $46 and this whole kit is only going to cost you $39. There will be a price increase on this kit next year, but for now it's still only $39. This is some little metal caps. They come in the kit as well. There are 2 cards and 2 envelopes in there. There is some Copic blending card, a couple of sheets of cardstock. We've got some blue and some green, and then we have some pattern papers. So these are Uniquely Creative's papers. So they are very nice. Really cute papers. And also is the book, of course, in the kit. But before I go through the book, I'm going to show you the coordinating stamps and dies. So this one here is called Fairytale Princesses. So this is our princesses stamps with the cute little fairies, a little girl there. You can put some different crowns on her and maidens, little pointy hats to make her into whatever you want to make her into. Some cute little sayings and a little unicorn. So that one is also 23. Matching fussy cutting die. And the other stamp, you probably guessed it, is called Fairytale Princes. And there is a cute little prince on there. There is a knight in shining armour. There is some gorgeous little dragons, a little frog, and awesome cute little sayings on that one as well. 23 for that stamp, and of course we have got the matching fussy cutting die too. Now let's just take a quick look at the add-on dies. There's this one here, it's called Swirly Clouds, and this one retails for $15.80. And then this one here is called Grassy Hills. And you've got a couple of different styles of just grassy borders and hills in there. And this one is $17.60. Before I show you in the book, I actually have some legit cards here because I have got these ready to take over to Paperific, where you can buy this kit from Jo Herbert. So these are some of Jo's gorgeous little cards that she's made with the set. This one's got our old heart wreath on there, which is really cute. That gorgeous alcohol ink background and the sparkle brush over top of the wings. Can you see them shining? This is with the castle and the dragon. More alcohol ink backgrounds and all that shimmer in the background. Ridiculously cute. I love how effective the alcoholic backgrounds are. Alright, so let's just have a very quick flick through the book. This is one of Vicky's. Sorry, I am filming this at night because we had production problems today. So we are just having a quick flick through. This is up for pre-order from today, which is the 15th. And it will be on shipping from the 20th of this month. So many ridiculously cute little... Isn't that cute? Sending happiness your way by Ashley. Cute cards in here. There is a whole bunch more stuff the girls have done for the blog. There'll be lots of blog posts. I love this one. This one's just ridiculously cute too. And that one. They're all cute. I don't know which one's my favourite. This guy's really cute. I just keep saying that. They're all cute. So many fun things to do with this kit. And a last couple of ideas that are in the book, and there'll be more ideas coming on the blog. So as I said, the kit itself is absolutely fantastic value at just $39. Why would you buy the dice individually when you can buy them in the kit? Great price for now. Shipping on our website from the 20th at www.uniquelycreative.com.au, but don't forget you can buy these at your local store. We really encourage you to support your local businesses and keep their doors open where you can. Till next time guys, bye.